Are you sick and tired of the pain and mess your ice cream scooper causes? And how about when you can't even find your scooper, so you're forced to use a spoon and end up breaking it in the process? Well, I know we are, and that's why we've created the ice cream machine.
Everyone loves eating ice cream, and that's why we decided to invent a product for all ice cream lovers out there. Our product is called the Ice Cream Machine, and it's designed to get rid of your old, boring scooper. This machine is an easy and fun way to dispense your ice cream in the comfort of your own home. You simply place your ice cream inside of the ice cream machine. There is a tube inside that connects to the ice cream carton and dispenses to the outside and comes through this tube, and your ice cream comes out of here. There is also a lid that you place on top, and when it is placed on correctly and pushed down, the ice cream will come out of this tube and flow into your bowl that you place directly underneath it. There are also 3 toppings that come with the ice cream machine. One are the sprinkles, another the chocolate chips, and the third the chocolate syrup. This device was designed for anyone who wants a fast, easy way to serve your ice cream. We came up with the idea when my mother was scooping out her ice cream, and she said, "My hands are killing me. I wish there was an easier way to do this." Since my family loves to eat ice cream, we thought an ice cream machine would be the perfect solution. Since the ice cream machine seems so easy, how exactly does it work? Well, there are 5 simple steps in order to use our ice cream machine. First, you take the unique cutter that comes with your ice cream machine and cut a circular hole into the bottom of your ice cream carton. Next, you take off the ice cream machine lid, place the carton of the ice cream in there, making sure that the hole in your carton aligns with the tube, and then you place the ice cream machine lid on. But before dispensing out your ice cream, you must take off the red cap. And then once you do that, all that is left is to get your bowl, put it underneath, push down as your ice cream dispenses up. You know the facts. You know how it works. So the only question is, why don't you order the ice cream machine today? It's simple as can be, with no hassle and no mess to deal with. It's a convenient way of serving ice cream in the comfort of your own home. Kids will go crazy over this product. That's a guarantee. Costing only $14.95, kids can even buy it themselves.
Now here are the steps in ordering the latest trend in the ice cream industry. Give us a call at 1-800-MACHINE, which is 1-800-622-4463, or visit us on the web at www.icm.com. The ice cream machine is also being sold in stores near you, such as Walmart, Kmart, and Target. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to contact us at icmicecream@yahoo.com.
We decided to interview some of our customers to see what they thought of our ice cream machine.
So what did you think of the ice cream machine?
Let's go over here and just push it down, and then swap it around to my home. Overall, when we questioned all of our product users, all agreed that it was a fun and simple machine for everyone of all ages. While the kids found it fun to have their own ice cream machine in their house, the adults liked the easier and hassle-free machine without the use of the scooper. Also, the product is very inexpensive, costing only $14.95. So if you're interested in a simple way to serve your ice cream, buy our product now, and within the next 10 minutes, we will include our whipped cream dispenser, which attaches right to the side of your ice cream machine. What are you waiting for? Call now. The number again is 1-800-MACHINE. That is 1-800-622-4463.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.